White Castle slider cheeseburgers in the Hot Logic Mini. Is this gonna be easy? Red's Win asked me the other day if I ever did this, and I thought, did I? No, I didn't, so I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. I'm gonna leave them right in the box to show you how convenient the Hot Logic Mini is. These are frozen. Just got them from the store. Open your Hot Logic Mini. Your heating element inside. This box might be a little tight, but it's gonna fit anyway. Could take them out of the box, but I figured I'm gonna leave them in the box just to show you how convenient the Hot Logic Mini is. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Zip it up. Using my orange one today. I have black, blue. I think we even have a pink one. I also have the big red 9x13 Hot Logic. Here we go. Now you can go to work or go wherever you want to go, or just put them in the kitchen like this. I have a lot to do today, so it's 8 a.m. It's 8:01 a.m. Just gonna plug this into the wall. See? Plug it in, set it and forget it. That's all we gotta do. And I'm gonna let it go for 4 hours. So at 12 o'clock noon, I'm gonna have myself a nice lunch of 6 White Castle sliders. I imagine they're gonna be similar to at the restaurant because they're gonna be steamed in the plastic bags they're in inside there. Isn't this good? Convenient? We cooked a lot of different ways in the Hot Logic, and we use it 3-4 times a week, especially when I work weird hours. Plug it in when I go to sleep. When I wake up, I have a meal. Or take it to work. Cook in your car, boat, wherever. All right. If you didn't get one, you gotta get one. But wait and see how these come out. It's gonna be good. Can't wait. 4 hours. I'll be back. All right. It's a little bit after 12 noon. I ran some errands. I took a nap, and I'm ready to eat now. Okay. So it's been 4 hours. This might have been ready in 2 hours, but I would have checked it. I like the longer the better because it stays the same temperature. It never gets hotter. You can't overcook it. You can't burn it. Well, it's warm. Remember what we had in there? Let's unplug it. Yeah. Oh, yes. Paper plate. Time to eat. Now it smells like White Castle. If you ever were at the restaurant. It really does. See, nice and soggy like they are there. If you want to call it that, steamed. Forgot how many I got in there. 6, nice. Ready? White Castle sliders. Take a bite quick. Oh. Bottom of the roll has a little crunch. A little bit. Sliders. Beautiful. See the onion in there? No ketchup though, right? I don't think they do that at the store either. Not sure, but you can add it. There's your White Castle sliders made in the Hot Logic Mini. If you don't have Hot Logic, check them out. I have a discount code I'll put down there. But look at this. Aren't you surprised? Aren't they scrumptious? They sure are. Now that's thinking inside the box. No need to always think outside of the box with your Hot Logic. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating these. I might put some ketchup on them. Put anything you like on them, right? Another good example of how you can use the Hot Logic. Great gift idea. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Have a nice day.